How to make Facebook name look stylish. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make your Facebook name look stylish, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make your Facebook name look basically stylish, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and, let's say whenever you're trying to change your name on Facebook, you open up Facebook, you tap over here, you tap this gear icon, and then you go to see more in account center. Then maybe you just go to personal details, or maybe you just go to this profiles option, select your Facebook account over here and just select name. If you like to change the name, it just comes up with the normal name, but maybe you want a stylish text. So to do this, first of all, exit out of Facebook app and now go ahead and open up your browser. Now here you can just select a style that you want over here, as you can see it. Now you can just go ahead and simply enter your first name and your last name separately if you'd like that. So I'll just go ahead and select my first name and last name accordingly here, and just at the bottom I'll be able to go ahead and see a list of text that are available. Now what I can do is I can just go ahead and select, let's say, a specific text. I'll just copy it, then I'll just come to the Facebook application here. I'll just cross this out here and then I'll just paste that name. I can also paste the first name over here. Now after I come back here, I can just go to the surname tab and then make sure to basically paste the second name as well. Once I've done this, I'll be able to go ahead and tap the review change option in order to make my Facebook name look stylish, and depending upon whatever styles you want. This way you'll be able to make your Facebook name stylish. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.